Hey guys, my name is Sandra and I am the new office assistant for Royal Woodworks and Royal Coatings. So I wanted to make this video to give you a tour of what Royal Woodworks and Royal Coatings is all about. So let's go. All right guys, so this is the beginning of the tour. Just wanted to show you what the front looks like when you're coming in. So we are at 180 Shamrock Industrial Boulevard, Suite 101 in Tyrone, Georgia. All right, let's go in and check it out. Royal Coatings part. This is the paint shop, all right? And here we have Wade and David working on something here.
We got a giant hood going in the kitchen, a little repair work here.
All right, so let me show you pretty much what this space looks like. This is their paint booth. This is where the magic happens.
We did that. We'll need this 5-inch round to run that whole edge
Gorgeous.
around.
thank you so much for watching. We are pretty much home. It's been a long day, but we did want to point out these beautiful cabinets behind us.
That are just recently done.
By Mito and his team. They went
Well,
ahead.
the team. By the team. They did a great job and got it done before Christmas. Thank you, everyone.
So thank you so much for watching.
But this is Ecro Soft Mat. These are so soft. You'll have to come by our showroom and feel the soft mat coatings for yourself. But as you can see, it's a beautiful finish, and it actually brought down the little detail. It brought out the little detail even more, and it just looks so good. But yes, thanks for watching. Come check out our showroom, and we look forward to meeting you.
Bye.